Hey guys, welcome back to our Math Trap channel with this equation, which is 8 divided by 1 over 4 multiplied by 1 by 2. So let's solve this together. This is the fractional trap of this equation. Let's solve it together. So this is the fractional trap. So let's solve the fraction first, which is 1 by 4 multiplied by 1 by 2. So which is 8 divided by 1 multiplied by 1 comes to 1, and then we will multiply 4 by 2, which is 4 multiplied by 2, which is 1 by 8. Now solve this division operator by converting it into multiplication using KCF rule, which is 16, and this answer is not true here. So many people see that there is a fraction, so they think we should solve the fraction first to keep the equation over simpler form. But this is the trap here. You should not solve the fraction first. You have to see the operator in the equation. There are division and multiplication operator. After that you can see the fraction. So division and multiplication in mathematics have the same priority. So you have to follow the left to right rule instead of solving the fraction first. From left to right, which is 8 divided by 1 by 4. So 8 divided by 8 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 1 by 2. So our equation only have the multiplication operator. So let's solve it from left to right, which is 8 multiplied by 4, which is 32 multiplied by 1 by 2. Now 2 will be cross cut to 1 times 2, and then 12 to 16 times 12, and then which comes to 16. Yes, our answer is 16. If you are enjoying the video, so like, share, subscribe to my channel for more videos.